which automatic espresso machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, looking at 5 top-rated machines that promise cafe-quality coffee at home and figuring out which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Breville Barista Express. Let's start with the Breville Barista Express. This brushed stainless steel machine stands out because it's one of the few semi-automatic models that includes a built-in grinder, so you go from whole beans to espresso in under a minute. Priced at $689.99, it sits in the mid to high range, but it's built like a tank and gives you real control over your brew. If you want cafe-quality espresso with hands-on precision without leaving your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The integrated conical burr grinder lets you adjust grind size on the fly, which means you can dial in the perfect extraction whether you're using light or dark roast beans. The PID temperature control keeps water at exactly the right heat, no guesswork. Plus, the low-pressure pre-infusion gently saturates the coffee puck before full pressure hits, pulling out balanced, rich flavors. And that steam wand, it creates microfoam so smooth you can actually make latte art at home. With over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this machine for serious home brewing. Now, some people complained about the learning curve, especially if you're new to espresso. The manual controls mean you've got to learn timing, tamping, and milk texturing. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little practice, this machine rewards you with professional level results. It's not fully automatic, and that's the trade-off for quality. This is perfect for you if you enjoy the process of making coffee and want control over every step. Skip this one if you just want to press a button and walk away. For the price, it's one of the best value for money machines for true espresso lovers. Product number 2, Atadix Espresso Machine. Next up, the Atadix Espresso Machine, a compact, budget-friendly option that still packs some serious features. Even though the price isn't listed, its popularity, over 2,000 sold recently, suggests it's very affordable. This stainless steel machine delivers 20 bar pressure, which is the sweet spot for proper espresso extraction, and it includes both auto and manual brewing modes. If you want a capable machine that won't break the bank and still makes great lattes and cappuccinos, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you. The NTC temperature control locks in the ideal 90 to 96 degrees Celsius range, so your shots don't taste burnt or sour. That's huge for consistency, especially with different bean types. The steam wand creates dense, glossy microfoam, not just bubbly milk, so your lattes actually taste like they came from a cafe. And the 44-ounce water tank means fewer refills, even if you're making multiple drinks. Plus, it heats up in just 30 seconds, so your morning coffee routine stays fast. Now, some buyers mentioned the build feels a bit plasticky in parts, and the interface isn't as polished as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for under $200, based on market trends, you're getting 20 bar pressure, temp control, and real milk frothing, features usually found in pricier machines. It's not luxury, but it's legit. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want quality espresso and milk drinks at home. Skip this one if you want a fully automatic experience or plan to use it heavily every day. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Philips 5500 series. Now, if the Atadix felt a bit basic, the Philips 5500 series takes a completely different approach. Fully automatic, sleek, and packed with smart features. At $884.95, it's a premium machine, but it grinds, brews, froths, and cleans itself with almost no input from you. If you want barista-level coffee with the push of a button, this is the machine that delivers. Here's why this matters for you. The Latte Go milk system is a game changer. No tubes, no hard-to-clean parts. Just pour milk, select your drink, and it froths and mixes it perfectly. And it's fast, ready to brew in 3 seconds with Quick Start. The 20 presets cover everything from iced coffee to strong espresso, and you can save up to 4 custom profiles. Plus, Silent Brew technology makes it 40% quieter than older models. Great if you're brewing early in the morning. With over 1,000 sold, it's clearly a favorite for busy households. Now, some users said the milk froth isn't as creamy as a manual wand, and the machine takes up more counter space. Here's the thing though, the convenience and consistency outweigh that for most people. You're not making latte art, but you are getting great tasting drinks every time without effort. This is perfect for you if you want a set it and forget it machine that makes excellent coffee daily. Skip this one if you enjoy manual control or have very limited counter space. It's pricey, but it pays for itself if you're skipping $6 coffee shop runs.
Product number 4, Jevi Commercial Espresso Maker.
All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for home baristas on a budget, the Jevi Commercial Espresso Maker. At just $126.99, it's one of the most affordable machines here. But don't let the price fool you. It includes a built-in pressure gauge, 20-bar pump, and pre-infusion, features you usually see in machines twice the price. Here's why this matters for you. The pressure gauge lets you monitor extraction in real time, so you can adjust grind or tamp to avoid under or over extraction. That's huge for dialing in perfect shots. The NTC temperature control keeps heat stable, and the steam wand creates smooth microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. Plus, the stainless steel body feels sturdy, and the compact size fits small kitchens. With 1,000 plus sold, it's clear people are impressed for the price. Now, some buyers noted the water tank is a bit small at 1 liter, so you'll refill it often if making multiple drinks. Here's the thing though, for under $130, you're getting commercial level features in a home machine. It's not perfect, but it's seriously capable. This is perfect for you if you're new to espresso but want to learn without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need fully automatic operation or drink multiple coffees daily. For the price, it's one of the best entry-level machines out there.
Product number 5, Philips 3300 series. Finally, the Philips 3300 series, a more affordable entry into Philips' automatic lineup at $404.99. It keeps the core strengths of the 5500, but simplifies the milk system and presets. If you want reliable, one-touch coffee with minimal maintenance, this is a smart middle ground choice. Here's why this matters for you. It still has the integrated grinder, 15-bar pressure, and silent brew tech, 40% quieter than non-certified models. The AquaClean filter means you might never need to descale, up to 5,000 cups before maintenance. That's a huge win for long-term ease. The 5 presets cover espresso, lungo, iced coffee, and milk drinks, and the classic frother works well with dairy and plant-based milks. With 600 plus sold, it's gaining traction as a dependable daily driver. Now, some users said the milk froth isn't as rich as the Latte Go system, and there are fewer drink options. Here's the thing though, for less than half the price of the 5500, you're still getting Philips' core tech and build quality. It's a great balance. This is perfect for you if you want automatic convenience without the premium price. Skip this one if you want the absolute best milk texture or dozens of drink options. It's excellent value for everyday use.
So, which one should you get? The Breville if you love control. The Atatix or Jevi if you're on a budget? The Philips 5500 for full automation? Or the 3300 for a smarter mid-range pick? Each has its strengths and flaws, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. We'll keep testing the gear so you don't have to.